There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason. Hi and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song first. So you're gonna have the A sharp major, composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then G minor, composed of the D, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of G. Then the D sharp major, played with the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then you're gonna have the D sharp minor, composed of the D sharp, F sharp, and A sharp, and always with the D sharp bass note. And finally the F major, played with the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. As usual, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Let's begin by the introduction, so here's the corresponding table. So take the A sharp major and play it like this: 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So on 1, you play bass and chord. 2, you play chord. And you play bass note solo. 3, bass and chord. 4, chord. And bass note solo. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. And do this for all the other chords. So G minor, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. D sharp major, which is shorter, 1, 2, and. F major, 1, 2, and. A sharp major, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. The whole table should sound like this: 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, na. Verse. So to play the introduction, just play this table once. And then you'll have the first verse, which is going to be divided into 2 parts. But I'm still happy to tell you that you will be able to keep at least one of the tables. So using the same method and with the lyrics, it'll sound like this. There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason. I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. And now second table, which is only a little bit different. So it'll sound like this. And there goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every. And then chorus. So to complete the verse, just play each table once. And then you will reach the chorus. So here's the new table for that section. We'll be keeping the same method. So directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this: I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be, continue, with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. And if you want to change the method, just feel free to play those chords differently. You could, for example, play them in arpeggio. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause. So the second verse and second chorus are going to be identical to the first ones, so just replay the corresponding tables. And after the second chorus, you will reach the bridge, so here's the new table for that section. And although you could perfectly use the first method, another option would be to play this table in the arpeggio style that I just showed you. You are the reason. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, na 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 na. And after that, you will be able to finish the song by playing the chorus table once and just playing and holding the chords. I wish you good luck for that one, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.